The Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop delivers on every aspect of everyday computing. Housing the AMD Ryzen 3 mobile processor, this laptop can tackle any job, no matter how complex, and it's budget-friendly too. Let's take a deep look to see why this laptop is a highly sought-after budget laptop. For this laptop's latest price, check the link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Starting with the design, the Acer Aspire 5 looks like its premium rival, the MacBook Pro. It has a light, sleek, and understated design that makes it pleasing to the eye without being too flashy. The aluminum lid looks great when closed, and it is held firmly against the chassis by its ultra-smooth surface. As you open it, the first thing you notice is the minimal black bezel surrounding the display. The laptop dimension is 14.3 by 9.7 inches with a thickness of 0.7 inches. The device weighs 3.6 pounds in total, which makes it perfect for carrying around the house and easy to take on a school trip. Under the hood, it packs a significant punch with AMD Ryzen 3 processor, 4GB RAM, 128GB SSD, and integrated Vega 3 graphics card. The 15.6 inches 1080p display is a little dim, but brighter than rivals, such as the Asus VivoBook 15. The screen is suitable for night work, but very bright light may make the screen a little uncomfortable. The Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is a comfortable device to watch movies and surf the web, but if you're interested in photo editing and media creation, you may need a more vivid color display on an external monitor. The Aspire 5's chiclet keyboard is full-size, has a number pad on the right side for seamless data entry. The keyboard is comfortable enough for typing, and going by the massive build, small hands will find this keyboard even more comfortable for multitasking. You can use it in a dark room thanks to the subtle backlighting, just like you have on Apple's MacBook laptops. For the touchpad, Acer strives to give the trackpad the same aluminum finish as the chassis. There's a fingerprint reader embedded into the touchpad, but you might have to turn off the multi-touch gestures, as the touch drag mechanism can be too fussy to use. Surprisingly, there's a function key that turns off the trackpad, especially when you're in serious typing sessions. Coming to the ports, it has excellent port selection. You're getting 2 USB 3.2 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, and a single USB-C port for your modern devices. There's also an Ethernet port for hardwiring, an HDMI port for an external display, a Kensington lock connector, and a standard headphone jack. Wireless connectivity comes via Wi-Fi 6. The Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop is an excellent laptop for catching up on the latest content. It has down-facing stereo speakers that are decently bassy. I prefer to listen to music while the laptop was perched on a table, as cradling it in your lap can muffle the sound. The 720p webcam sits atop the display. It serves its purpose when Skyping in with your boss for a quick check-in or to say hello to a friend, but it's unimpressive otherwise. You'll need an external webcam for anything professional. When it comes to performance, our reviewed laptop features AMD Ryzen 3 processor, 4GB RAM, 128GB SSD, and integrated Vega 3 graphics card. This configuration no doubt has enough power to deliver on most day-to-day tasks. The Ryzen 3 processor can handle Chrome, Spotify, and Firefox all running simultaneously. Most people will find the Acer Aspire 5 to provide perfectly acceptable performance for all but the most demanding processor-based tasks. Unless you're buying for complex tasks, the Aspire 5 Slim laptop is a reasonable choice in terms of performance. Everyday tasks like browsing the internet, streaming media, editing photos and videos will work like a charm. Considering that it uses an integrated video card, you won't be playing modern games here. Latest AAA releases will not render properly, and everything will likely stutter. If you need a budget gaming laptop, we recommend the Asus TUF A15, a budget gaming laptop with a 240Hz screen and a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce 3000 series graphics card. You can check out our full review at the top right corner. As for the thermals, while downloading apps and streaming in Google Chrome, the Acer Aspire 5 tugged along without feeling too hot to handle. When I test ran a full-screen HD video for 15 minutes, the Aspire 5 measured on average 71 degrees Fahrenheit, which is quite comfortable compared to the 95-degree comfort threshold. At its hottest point on the keyboard, between the G and H keys, it read at 86 degrees. The system certainly does its best to handle heat output, but the fans come on so often and are so loud that it was sometimes hard to hear dialogue or music without turning up the volume. As for the battery, the Acer Aspire 5's battery is a better performer as compared to last year's model that had an underwhelming battery. Acer claims that it will last 8 hours on a single charge, but in real-life use, you're getting just under 7 hours, which isn't bad at all. The pros are decent performance, good build quality, and well-priced. As for the cons, the only issue I noticed is the dim display. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable laptop to stay docked all the time, you're getting a good deal with the Acer Aspire 5. The capable middle-of-the-line Ryzen 3 processor and the integrated graphics card can handle the work you need to get done. And while the trackpad takes some time to get used to, the comfortable full-size keyboard makes typing enjoyable. However, if you're looking for more power, longer battery life, and a better screen, the HP Pavilion 15 2021 edition is a great choice. You can check out the full review at the usual spot, top right corner. It costs slightly more than the Acer, but you also get the added benefit of a sleek design